I hope all is well. Jessica here. I'm just here having a conversation about my favorite topic besides food and working out, communication. And the best way I know how to communicate is like this, just me, no script, just talking. And I wanted to record a video on empathy. I get asked a lot, how can one be more empathetic? How can one work on that specifically? And when it comes to communication does require practice. And the more that you engage in conversations with others and implement some of these strategies and techniques, the more natural it can become. So listening to someone, you can tell the difference when someone's fully engaged and they're not. I'm looking in this camera and I'm engaged with whoever you are watching this. I'm looking at you. I'm talking to you and no one else. My phone is not near me. I'm not staring somewhere else. I am focused on you. I am focused. I am providing that atmosphere for you to know that I'm locked in on you and only you. That opens up the door when someone feels seen, heard, and connected just by nonverbal cues. So that's a start. And proactively listening, not interrupting someone, and like just listening to them. You can show some nonverbal cues if you like, nodding your head, just purely listening, asking some follow-up questions after you listen as to what's going on to get some more follow-up, to have some intent, body language. Those are some basic principles I'll throw out there because this could be a longer video. But those fundamentals can be very, very helpful. And what I plan on doing is offering workshops every month, free workshops. Let's work on these areas. We can have a workshop on empathy, which we will. Then we'll have a workshop on emotional intelligence. We'll have a workshop on communication 101. Let's work on this together. Communication makes the world go round, and we can do it together. I hope this is helpful. And I have a workshop coming up next week for the month of March, my birthday month. And I just want to connect with everyone and let's work on communication. If you are someone that is confident in your communication abilities, let's work on it. Let's get you to get even better. If you are someone that's navigating and figuring out what your style is, let's work on it. I'm here for it. And I can't wait to work with lots of different people every month in this wonderful world we call our lives. So take good care. Bye bye.